Hiking surely is among the most exciting adventures, but can be quite challenging too. And when it's about winter hikes, we all need some practical gear items to make that adventure even more worthwhile. So here's our video compiling some hiking gear essentials for winter hikes. So lean back, get comfy, and enjoy.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear so that you can have the best experience.
Starting today's list with the Garmin Foretrex, a wearable GPS device that keeps everyone on track during their hike. Integrated with some promising components, this navigation device supports multi-positioning bands including GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo, resulting in accurate and more seamless information on your whereabouts. Having military-certified standards like MIL STD 810G, this navigation device is damn strong and can ensure anything rough that adventure offers. And as we said before, this one's wearable, so users can just mount it on their wrists and navigate hands-free. And to top everything off, this one comes with an impressive battery that can run up to a week in Ultra Track mode and up to a whole month in watch mode. Sportiva Aequilibrium, a capable pair of hiking boots that go even further on a hiking trip. Now, unlike most others in the category, this one doesn't feel crampy or uncomfortable in any sort. Thanks to its snug fit and PU cushioning insert, this cushioning effectively dampens shock and other inconveniences of the trail. As a result, users won't struggle walking on any uneven terrain or such. In addition, proper grip on a rubber guard shell makes these boots perfectly anti-skid, no matter how muddy or slippery the trail is. Finally, Gore-Tex lining of these boots helps keep those feet from moisture, while the incorporation of Vibram spring lug makes the hike more enjoyable. Staying hydrated is among the most crucial parts of a hiking trip, especially during winter. So here's the Osprey Hydraulic Reservoir, an easy and effective solution to keep anyone properly hydrated on such journeys. Made with BPA, polyethylene, and lead-free materials, this hydration bladder is certified by FDA and EU regulations and can maintain a proper taste of water. In addition, the hydrostatic backer plate of this one provides an appropriate structure to put inside that backpack while maintaining its flat profile. Then comes its slide seal to make it more easily refillable and a magnetic bite valve for better compatibility. This is the Uphold Pocket Cutlery, a compact, sophisticated, and intelligent solution for utensils during a hiking journey. Let's face it, we often use plastic-made cutlery to travel light on such trips. But what happens here is that people often leave those plastic items behind. Uphold here comes in a smart solution for that with some practicality. Featuring a modular spoon, a fork, and a butter knife, these utensils can be assembled in no time. And cleaning? You don't have to worry about that as well. Just use water, wipe it, and there you have it, ready for the next meal. Feeling too tired and hungry? Well, a small break won't hurt as long as one has this Jetboil Stash inside their backpack. Being so compact and lightweight, this one can be kept inside a small pocket pretty easily. And that doesn't mean it lacks the performance one expects from a proper camping stone. And even after being this small, this one can boil water in no time. Compatible with most portable propane tanks, hikers won't have to worry about its fuel anymore. So take a break and have some delicious meals with this Jetboil Stash. Zippo Heatbank 3 is here to keep your hands warm and cozy during such bone-freezing weather. Coming with dual-sided heat, this hand warmer can provide its users with a better heat distribution, while its sleek and slim design makes it perfect for different scenarios. Not getting enough warmth? Then it's probably because you're using it on a low setting. Yeah, its adjustable heat setting can be set according to the user's need, but obviously using a high setting for a long time will result in a relatively lower battery performance. Phones dying? Well, use it as a power bank, as simple as that. Introducing the BN002, an innovative one from beyond Nordic that will improve anyone's hiking experience. The first thing everyone will appreciate is its all-around zip-off construction, which enables effortless conversion into a pair of shorts. And if anyone thinks a pair of pants cannot be technologically advanced, then Ricoh's inbuilt chip will prove them wrong. This chip always keeps its users on the radar while exploring deeper, making it a crucial choice for novices. Furthermore, because of its excellent stretching, first-rate waterproofing, and ventilation, it becomes the ideal option for your upcoming hike. Next up, we have this Nitecore NU25, a simple, effective, and practical solution for anyone's nighttime exploration. Weighing less than an ounce, this headlamp will never feel bulky while wearing it for a prolonged period. And thanks to an XP-G2 S3 LED from Cree, this one has a peak beam distance of up to 88 yards, so it seems like long tracks and weights aren't issues anymore. 3 lighting modes can be utilized according to users' needs, as 360 lumens of highest output won't leave anyone in the dark anymore. Finally, its IP66 rating will make sure its operation during any adverse weather condition. Finally, here's the Smartwool Hike Medium, a perfect pair of hiking socks to make your hiking experience even better. Now, we get that you have an excellent pair of hiking boots and all, but socks are something you cannot ignore, right? And this pair of hiking socks are skillfully crafted with merino wool, keeping those feet comfy and blister-free, even for your longer hiking sessions. Besides, it also incorporates 33% nylon and 1% elastane in its build for more longevity and flexibility. So that was our list of some hiking gear essentials for winter hike. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section, and please share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, gooutdoorzone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.